What's up YouTube? Another video of my BMW S1000RR. I wanted to do a quick sound clip of my Akrapovic. I don't know how you guys say it. I've heard it said many ways, but my Akrapovic exhaust. I got the bike this way. The previous owner slapped this on there. I am a big fan. I love the sound. It is definitely quality. It's a quality sound. It's not the loudest, and it's not, it doesn't scream like some of the Japanese bikes with the other exhausts out there, but that's what I like. I like the deeper tone, the more quality sound, and it definitely sounds great when you're riding it. But let's do a quick sound clip, and here you go. I'm gonna start it up for you. I don't have a tripod, so I'm gonna be holding the phone. ...2013 BMW S1000RR, 5,000 miles on it. Akrapovic exhaust. It sounds great. I love it. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Please consider subscribing.